so much for tuning on to Janan TV. My name is Kemegisa Maryling, along with my colleague,
Marashan Tanasimbwa.
and today is the independence for the South Sudanese, right?
Yeah.
And I can see in the school everyone looks to be so happy. All the South Sudanese are walking, and they're all looking glamorous. By the way, they're all looking very
I
good.
know, right?
I hear that they have a guest of honor. I just don't know who it is. We'll find that out later in more details. And they're celebrating 19 years of independence. 19.
Yeah, well, South Sudan is one of the young countries in East Africa. It has just been made up, like on up. So, yeah.
And that number seems very small to some people, but that actually means something. Those 19 years
Yeah,
are
I know.
what's something? That's effort right there. We're going to find out from different individuals about how the day is going, about how they are doing, what they are wearing, and how they are feeling. Wait, how are you feeling?
Well, for me, I'm really excited. Right now, we're having performances from the students, and we are just from there having a band presentation. I just feel so excited for them, and I'm happy for the South Sudanese.
Even me, I'm so happy as well. Please stay tuned and don't miss out anything because we're going to be pouring a lot.
So DJ, give me something right now. Okay. Uh-huh. Okay. Everybody can see. It's enough. Okay. So I told you, people, boys and girls, even though yeah, please, let's love you. Where are my people? Where are my people? Good afternoon, everyone. Yeah, your name is for today. And happy independence once again from again. It's a good again. Go. Go. Oh, okay. If you know you joined yesterday.
A very good greeting to all you viewers of this channel. Welcome back to yet again another episode where today we're celebrating the South Sudanese independence. They are celebrating 9 years of independence. Their independence in 2007. We're going to interview a few of the individuals here today and get to see how they are doing, how they are faring. But so far the venue looks very good. You can see behind you the background. We have a beautiful banner for independence. We have balloons and there's music playing behind you. I don't know if you can hear it, but hopefully you can. And we're going to find out more from the people. Yes, stay tuned.
Okay. Let us stand up to welcome that. Yeah, let's stand up and welcome. Yeah, thank you very much.
were no more, Father, who would not be standing in this place, Jehovah Jireh. We bring all these programs that we have into your hands, King of Glory. Whatever agenda that we have, King of Glory, may it come to fulfillment at the end of the day, King of Glory. We put the guests of honor into your hands, the visitors that we have in our midst, and then the students' body at large, King of Glory. Be with us, guide us, protect us, my name. Amen.
Thank you. Thank you. Let's clap for her. Thank you, the band. And so, you're welcome. Guests of the honor, you most welcome.
Yes, here we have another participant in this event. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. How are you feeling right now? Very good. If there was something that you had to say to, for example, your mother or Mr. Chirande, what would it be? Like, what I mean? Okay, who would you like to thank the most for the event? Mr. Chirande. Aside from it being the independence, what are you also excited for the most to do?
Like people having Kadanke.
You're excited for Kadanke. If there was something you have to say to the South Sudanese, who are back in South Sudan, what would it be? You don't have anything to say to them at all.
Like to thank them for being proud of their country.
Okay, good morning. Good morning. How are you? Oh, okay, and you? Fine. What's your name and class? My name is Betty. Senior 3. How are you feeling about today?
I feel happy. What is nice?
Aside from the independence, what else are you most excited for today? I'm excited for the cultural dance. The cultural dance. You love your cultural dance. If there was anything that you had to tell the South Sudanese in South Sudan, what would you tell them? Okay, then what I can tell them is celebrate independence. That's what I can say. Which song has the DJ played that you've loved so far? Pardon? Which song has the DJ played that you've loved so far? Right now, I never found any songs. Okay, which song would you like him to play? Good morning. How are you? Fine. What's your name and class?
My name is Sarah Patrick. I'm in Form 3.
Okay. So how are you feeling about today?
I am so excited and amazed about independence.
Do you have any friends in the schools that have come?
Yeah.
So you also have to see them. If you had something to tell the South Sudanese in South Sudan, what would you tell them?
I'll just tell them to be aware and happy and celebrate their independence.
So how many years did South Sudan make in its independence?
60 years.
16. Wow. So here with me I have some students from different schools. They're going to tell us their schools. Good morning, dear.
Good morning.
How are you? What's your name?
My name is Nahom.
What is your class? Sorry.
I'm in primary 7.
In primary 7. Which school is this in general that's sitting here?
This is New Africa.
Pardon?
New Africa.
New Africa. So how do you feel about today?
It's a nice day.
You're feeling nice, eh? So how many years is your country making independence?
14 or 13.
14 or 13, eh? So in everything that's going to happen today, what are you excited about the most?
Okay, I would like to see the musicians. Yes, I'm happy for that.
Even the cake?
Yeah.
Okay, which song has the DJ played that has made you feel very nice?
They have not yet brought a song that I would like.
So which song would you want him to play?
I would like. Okay, good or better.
Okay. Let's ask another individual here. What is your name?
Rebecca.
Which class are you in?
7.
Which school?
Janan, the primary.
Janan Primary. Wow. Okay, how do you feel about today?
I think it's wonderful.
You feel like you think today is wonderful, eh? You're happy to be here with your friends to celebrate, not so?
Yeah.
If there was anything that you had to tell the South Sudanese in South Sudan, what would you tell them?
I'll tell them to enjoy their independence. Enjoy their independence.
Enjoy their independence. That has been it from these two students. Here with me, I have a fine gentleman. We're going to ask him a few questions. Good morning. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling well, celebrating the independence for our brothers, the South Sudanese. We are really enjoying the day.
So, what's your name and your occupation, if you don't mind me asking?
My name is Stephen. I'm a teacher in New Africa. My high school was open, so we came to Janan to celebrate with our brothers their independence.
Wow. So far for the event, what have you seen that has made you feel very, very nice, aside from it being the independence? Aside from it being the Independence Day, what else has made you feel very good about today?
For sure, I've felt good that our brothers are happy. Even the place, Janan schools, for sure the school is good. All the facilities are good. We are, for real, it's a good place.
So a very big thank you to Mr. Chironde, right? For allowing so to happen. With the case of your students, are these the only South Sudanese in your school?
Our school has very many South Sudanese, like 400 over there. They are very many happy, they get the good education, and for sure they enjoy the place.
Enjoy the place.
Yes, they did enjoy.
Okay, that has been it from this kind gentleman. Let's find out. So let's find out more from some other students. Good afternoon. How are you? What's your name?
Amos.
Which school?
Yeah, Africa Primary School.
So Amos, right? Your name is Amos. So how do you feel about today?
So I just feel excited because I'm happy because today is our Independence Day.
Today is your Independence Day. How do you feel about the decoration and the MCs?
Feel good.
They're making you feel happy, right? If you had something to say to the South Sudanese in South Sudan, what would you tell them?
I could tell them that like we have to make peace so that we promote peace. So because there is no tribalism in our country. So
Okay, thank you, Amos. Good afternoon. How are you? What's your name? Your name is Father? Okay, how do you feel about today?
So actually, I'm very happy because it's my first time to be here, but you guys made it.
If there's anyone that you wanted to be with you today, who would it be?
Would be my this because actually today would be my best day. So like my first time to see new faces, even new. But first of all, I need to know your name.
What are you most excited about today, aside from the independence?
For the new place, my excitement is because I've entered Janan school because this is my first time.
If there was anything you had to tell the South Sudanese back in South Sudan, what would you tell them?
Tell them happy Independence Day.
Thank you. Yeah, so right now with me, I have the president of JASA, right?
I'm the vice president.
Okay, I have the vice president with me, and I'm going to ask him a few questions. Good afternoon. Good morning. Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you feeling about today?
Feeling so excited because there is no other club which always celebrates its day like this always in January. So we are extremely so happy for a day like this.
Okay, if there was anyone you would like to thank for today, who would it be?
Mostly the director Janan schools because he supported us really financially. It wasn't for him, we couldn't have money to organize such an event. So colorful.
There are still some, in fact, there are South Sudanese there in South Sudan, and they're also celebrating their independence. What would you have to tell them if you had a chance?
I would like to tell them just abide by the same, which states that one nation, one people, one future. That's the way we can make our country to develop. Yes.
And from the way I've seen, you're proud of your country, right?
Yeah, so proud.
Do you have any friends in the schools that have come today? I've seen, I think, I don't want to assume, but I've seen some schools that have come today. Do you have any friends there?
Actually, I had no idea about the schools because it was organized by a school.
So is it easy to be the president of JASA? Is it Janisa JASA?
Yes, sir.
Is it easy to be the vice president of JASA? And how has been your experience?
The experience has been good, but this position, I really had to sacrifice my time for class to see that everything on this day has to flow the way it's flowing. So work has been hectic, but I enjoy my position. But
It's still worth it, right?
yeah.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
That has been it from the vice president. So from the different students today, we've gotten to find out that they're also very excited for their independence. I would be as well. And that has been it. Thank you so much for tuning in. I remain Kenisa Marilyn, reporting for Janan Media, Torture.